we're back. This is video 2 of the 4-part series, or the standalone video just for the microphone windscreen filter. This is the brand I got. It is On Stage Gear Foam Microphone Windscreen. Says fits over most standard microphones. And it is model number ASW S58-B. I got this on Amazon for, I believe, like $2.95 US as an add-on. So let's open it up and then put it on. All right. Now I'm going to unplug the microphone while I put this on so you don't hear any weird grating, scratchy noises while I do this. I've never put one of these on before. Put it here. So this will be my first time. It looks very large, and that's what I wanted. I want a very thick foam windscreen microphone cover. So I'm going to unplug it and put it on. And we're back again. The foam windscreen has been put on. Tap, 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 tap. And hopefully we can hear a difference in the sound as far as the harshness of my consonants and any mouth noise I might have. So this is a very short video unboxing and putting on of the foam microphone windscreen by On Stage. Stay tuned if this is the long video for part 3, which will be me using the new microphone stand. Or if you want to watch that separately, there will be a link to that as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.